Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So Impactors, the marketing club of Department of Public Policy and Governance, welcome you all towards our event Admenia. Impactors, established 5 months ago towards the Department of Public Policy and Governance with the tagline Splash Up and Explore the Market. Our mission is to develop various marketing skills among the students and to organize different marketing events through which they can apply their knowledge towards the practical life. Here is our mentor and an inspiration, Dr. Neelam Panchal ma'am, the head of Department of Public Policy and Governance, who inspire us and guide us towards the correct path and share us their valuable knowledge, as well as Professor Darshini Dave ma'am, who always show us the right path towards the success and our mentor too. So here is the glimpses of different events that impactors have done, like Crack the Quiz, live quiz competition, webinar on psychology of selling a product or service or yourself, Turn and Twisted product making competition, Admania, advertisement making and selling competition that is held today. Here is the glimpses of different media coverage of impactors. And so, I would like to welcome you all towards our event Admania, the advertisement making and selling competition. So now, I would like to invite Ishita Ruparelia to carry forward the event. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So I would like to welcome each and everyone over here, present over here. So after this wonderful presentation, I would welcome each and everyone present over here and over here. I would like to say that you are only the participants and you are only the judge. So in this event, you are only the customers and you are only the sellers. So it's all about you. It's all depend on you. It's all the decision is also of yours and the sellers are also you. So let's carry forward our event by starting our with our first participant. I would like to invite Manish Tripathi. So Manish Tripathi, are you here? Hello, Manish, are you here? Okay, so I think he is not available. So I would like to invite Kritika Maini to present their presentation.
Can I share the screen, please?
Yeah, sure.
I hope it's visible.
Yes,
Yes.
visible. You may go on.
Okay, so the product I've chosen is shoes. So, hello everyone. My name is Kritika and I'm from JIMS Kalkaji and I'm currently pursuing BCom honors and I'm an undergraduate student. Cinderella is a proof that a new pair of shoes can change your life. But this pair of sneakers can make your life. Here I present my very favorite Soul sneakers. With comfort and trend, our sneakers will lift up your style. People make shoe contact before making an eye contact. In this affordable price, this is the best you can get. Whether it's a college event or a wedding, sneakers can light up your personality. With a perfect outfit, perfect looks, amazing pair of sneakers of our brand, Soul Sneakers, will complete you. Today's generation's love for sneakers is endless these days. So is our variety. Polka dot, striped, single colored one, and customized too. Everything is available for you. Remember, life isn't perfect, but your sneakers can be. Get sporty, wear sneakers. So go grab your sneakers now and rock the world. Available in all sizes in your nearest complexes and mall. Thank you.
Great idea, Kritika. So now I would like to welcome Dhruvin Gandhi.
Yeah, thank you, Ishita. Hemangi, can you please share my screen?
Yeah, Dhruvin, just a minute. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. My screen is visible, right?
Not, yes, now it's visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have made a one video, and the product I choose is handbag. Yeah, play Hemangi.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Hemangi. So the product I choose is handbag, and for that we make one jingle. So the jingle is अब शॉपिंग होगी without reason, हर दिन जैसे कोई सेलिब्रेशन, बर्थडे पार्टी हो या जाना हो विथ रिश्तेदार, हाथ में रहेगा किजी बैग्स हर बार. इट्स डजेंट मैटर what your taste, other women are maybe better, but you look the best. And for that product we use Kiara Advani as a brand ambassador, and you can see in the poster there is a youth sale in the big writing. So we start our sale at just rupees 499, and whenever you go, the very first thing is you carry is the handbag, and as you all pretty ladies are know that, and you can see the aesthetic color combination and most lovable design in the videos and photograph. Yeah, thank you.
Nice one, Dhruvin. So now I would like to ask the audience that who would like to vote for Dhruvin. So just raise your hand if you would like the product of Dhruvin. Wow, Dhruvin, you are getting a huge response from the audience. So last few seconds left. Those who would like to vote for Dhruvin, just vote for them.
Okay, done, Trusty.
Okay, great, Dhruvin. So now I would like the audience to vote for our first participant. That is, so start vote for our first participant, Kritika Maini.
Okay, done, Trusty.
Okay, great one. So now I would like to call upon the next participant, Mansi Thumar.
Mansi is not here, so I am presenting on behalf of her.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Is my screen is visible? Hello, am I audible to
Yes,
you?
yes, it's visible.
So, on behalf of her, I made one jingle. So, easy to carry, you look like fairy. Not much light, not much heavy. Classy look, perfect fit. Nike, just do it. Thank you.
Amazing presentation, Yashish. So now it's all open to you, audience. So raise hand and vote for the Mansi.
Okay, done, Ishita.
Okay. So our next participant is Hemangi Khapra.
My screen is visible.
Yes, Hemangi, go on.
Yes.
It's visible.
Hello everyone, this is Himangi here, and I'm going to present an aid on Kajal. Yes, the product which gives the glorious look to your eyes. But before starting the presentation, I just wanted to, declare the flow of my presentations, wherein which the first I will, recite one humorous story, including the product, and then after I'll share one visual about the product and the story I have here shared. Okay. So the story is the title of the story I have given is Jang-e Kajal. The story is about the two teams, where the team A and team B, where the team A and team B were fighting like a hell. They have used their every weapon which was possible. Like they have used guns, they have used missiles, they have used bombs to kill everyone. But nobody was even injured with those products and the weapons they have used. So the head of the team A was thinking about that what should I do to kill the members of the team B, like and he was roaming here and there and thinking about like what should I do, how I will finish this say finish this junk of these two teams. Then he was sitting beside one tree, and one Shire was passed on her way, and she was like कुछ वो रीड कर रही थी, कुछ वो सुन रही थी. सो उसकी आवाज जो हेड ऑफ टीम ए था उसने सुन ली. वो क्या थी, लाइक पहले से ये कातिल निगाह है मुझे क्या कम घायल करती थी, जो तुम सरेआम यू कत्ल करने के लिए अपनी आंखों में काजल लगा कर आई हो. Bingo. Here the team, the head of team A got an idea that now I get an idea. Let me let me give it a try to finish the team B. So he just purchased one kajal and bring one beautiful lady. Here we will give the name of that lady only, the kajal itself. Okay. So kajal was ready with a beautiful makeups, applying our kajals, and she just went to the place where this team were fighting, and with just one wink of her eyes, the team B was finished. वो कहते हैं ना, अखियों से गोली मारे, वैसा कुछ कर दिया इस काजल वाली आंखों ने. So this is all about the humorous story I just wanted to share. Now I'm going to play one video, the visual presentation of the story I have shared here. I have used 4 to 5 GIFs here to create the story. I hope the video is. Okay, so this is all about the product and the presentations I just wanted to share. Thank you so much, everyone.
Very creative idea by Hemangi. So
Thank you so
now,
much, Ashita.
yeah. So now I would like to tell audience that who also like the idea of Hemangi.
Okay, done, Ishita.
Okay, Yatri. So now I would like to call upon Manish, and Manish, it's a last call. That are you here or not? Manish Tripathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Manish.
मैम एक्चुअली सर इशू इज दैट कि मैं अपना प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं प्रेजेंट कर सकता सो मैम मैं केवल बस उसका ब्रीफ बोल सकता हूँ तो मैं क्योंकि नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से वो मैम शेयर नहीं हो पा रहा प्रेजेंटेशन तो मैं सिर्फ बोलूंगा मैम.
Okay. No issues. You can
Okay,
go
ma'am.
ahead.
So this is all my product is because of the only chocolate products. So I will give the description of chocolate only. So it's a sum is starting with this line. मुंह में भर दे मिठास, दूर करे खटास. खाओ और दूसरों को खिलाओ, दाम उम्मीद से कम, स्वाद उम्मीद से ज्यादा. बच्चे हों या बड़े, या हो बुजुर्ग, सबके दिलों पे छाया प्यारा डेयरी मिल्क हमारा. So it's a very delicious to in taste, and so it's around and post that. So this is a very please buy in your stores for this shopping for this, and this is a very tasty one. So I give only for that, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, great effort by Manish.
Yes, ma'am. That's all over because due to network issue, I'm not able to do anything else, ma'am. Sorry for that.
It's okay, it was a great effort. So now I would like to ask our audience who would like to vote for Manish. So thank you to all. So now I would request Sri to share a video to all.
Yes. Okay, everyone. Hope you all have enjoyed these events. So now it's time to announce the result of EdMania advertisement competitions. After adding the marks from the audience, third rank goes to Mansi Thumar. So congratulations, Mansi. And second rank goes to Dhruvin Gandhi. Congratulations, Dhruvin. So now announce our first winner. So now first rank goes to Hemangi Khapara. So congratulations, Hemangi. A very big congratulations to all the winners and participants. At last, I would like to thank you, all the participants and our wonderful audience to make our event successful. I also thanks to Dr. Nilam Panchal ma'am and Dr. Darshini Dave ma'am to give us the opportunity to plan such a event. And also thank to our team members of the Impactors. Without their hard work, nothing can be possible. So thank you everyone.
I would like to request everyone to please turn on their camera so that we can capture you all. Okay, thank you everyone.